Hi everyone, got some photos that you want to keep private on your iPhone? No worries, it has a built-in way to hide them. No extra apps needed. Let me show you how in under 2 minutes. First, open the photo app and find a picture that you want to hide. Tap it to open it. Now let's hide it. Tap on the share button and scroll down and tap hide. Confirm by tapping hide photo and it's gone from your main album. Want to find your hidden photos? Here's the trick. Go to the albums tab, scroll down to hidden under other albums and there they are. But wait, want to hide the hidden album also? Let's lock it down. Go to settings, photos and turn off the hidden album. Now no one else will see it in your albums list. And that's it. Now your private photos stay private. If this video helped, hit the like button and subscribe for more iPhone tips. See you in the next video and thank you for watching.